Here's how to pair your garage door opener with your Mercedes-Benz. First, press and hold the first and third buttons on the mirror for about 20 seconds until the indicator light turns green. This will clear any previous pairings and set you up to pair your new garage door opener. Next, press the button you want to program on the mirror until it begins to flash yellow. Then hold the remote up to the mirror and press the remote's button until the light on the mirror turns green. If it doesn't work, try different positions. If it's green without flashing, then you have a fixed code system. This process is done, and you can now use the mirror buttons to operate your garage door. However, most likely the light's flashing green, which means you have a rolling code system. The button in your car is now programmed, but you still need to synchronize the car and the opener. You'll need to press the training button or smart button on the garage door opener itself. Please refer to your garage door opener's owner's manual for details. Then, within 30 seconds, return to your car and press the button on your mirror for 2 seconds and then release it for 2 seconds. Repeat this up to 3 times until it operates the garage door. If you need to program additional garage door openers, choose a different button on your mirror and repeat this process. Please note, for your security, the buttons will only operate the garage door when your smart key is in the car. Okay, you're all set. Leave your remote behind and let your Mercedes-Benz handle it.